Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, Zbrush up to date, and your license signed in. Open your base mesh and set a moderate resolution so the system can retopologize dynamically. Next, toggle Preferences Sculptris Pro so the feature is available. This prepares the engine to add and remove polygons as you sculpt. Once done, switch to Move or Clay Buildup and make sure symmetry is set if needed. That way the tool works predictably across the model. Now you activate Sculptris Pro directly on the brush. Open the brush menu and enable the Sculptris Pro toggle so each stroke can add or remove geometry. Begin with lower intensity and smaller radius to observe how polygons are created. This prevents runaway geometry spikes. Sculpt with standard strokes for mass and use Alt to subtract cleanly. Make sure to use Inflate or Clay Buildup to retain volume while topology changes, because sculpt finish by stabilizing the model. Once your Sculptris Pro sculpt is complete, either freeze details or use Z-Remesher to produce clean topology for animation and UVs. Project high-frequency detail back onto the retopologized mesh so nothing is lost. If you encounter holes or pinching, stop sculpting and run close holes or Dynamesh on just the affected area, because continuing can worsen artifacts. One quick troubleshooting tip: reduce brush size and mask around the issue to remesh locally without impacting the whole model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.